What? Oh, I'm always on a plane, so how do I not have this? Yes, on the Hello Pumpkin. These placemats are so pretty. I might keep it on through the rest of the video. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. So, time for a Temu haul, right? I think it's been a minute. It has been a minute since I did a Temu haul, but let me tell you, I feel like decor, right? I'm ready to decorate. I'm traveling or just every day, honestly. I really don't need a reason. But yes, on Temu. So I have a couple things to share, including the discount code. That's first, right? That's the first thing. Let me get close. So open the Temu app. In the search bar at the top, right? We want to put in the code KNC 3487. That's my code. Put it up in the top of the search bar. Don't put it at the end, like when you check out and do all the things, right? At the top, when you open the Temu app, KNC 3487. So you can unlock this $100 bundle discount, right? Do a little shopping, but yeah, between decor and me traveling and all the things, let me show you what I got. Why is this so cute? So, ain't easy being wheezy. So for me, it's cute because I need it. Here's my pump. Here's my asthma pump, and I've never seen anything like this. So when I saw it, it was 100% in the cart, right? So how cute is that? Girl, let me throw it in. I've been dying to throw it in here. Oh my goodness. And it even has like the thing, like the dip, right? It's a little bigger than my pump, but that is perfect. Right on in. Grab something for my Miss Hershey girl. So my snacks, right? And I picked this one because it kind of looks like Hershey, right? So I already put the snacks in the back and I can stick it. So when I'm walking her, sometimes I'm still training her. So to have the snacks hooked onto her leash, perfect, right? So yes on that. And it's so convenient. I mean, and this is bigger than what I thought it was. I thought it was a little tiny. It's not. Like, look, girl, that is big. So yeah, I thought it was a little tiny snacky snack. So throw them right on in. When I was filling it up, I had to give her a treat, a snack, right? So yes on that. Why was I crushing on this necklace? And I'm going to tell you why. You already know. Black and white. It is so cute. It is so cute. And the fact that it, you know, knotted in the middle like that, like it was two-tone, I was sold 100%. So, girl, yes, on vacay. I want to put it on so you can see. Yeah. You gotta stop it on that. I love it. It even looks nice layered with my other necklaces, right? I might keep it on through the rest of the video. Yes on that. Oh my goodness. That is pretty. I'm keeping it on. And I grabbed some nails. You know, me and the nails, right? I'm giving them a break right now, just for a little while longer, right? But I did grab some fall nails, and these will be the ones I put on next, right? So I love the way they come because all I have to do is just boom, 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 right? So yes, aren't they so pretty? They're so pretty, right? So they come with this, and they actually come with, you know, the sticky stick. I will probably use glue, but this is an option if, you know, you wanted to stick them on. But oh my goodness, they're so pretty. I was pulling them off. Just so, like, it's easy. You know what I mean? So boom, pulling them right on off. Perfect. So yes on those. And so these are the other ones. A little Halloweeny. So yes on that. Oh my goodness, they're so cute. And they match my necklace. Look. That is so cute. So the cauldron, right? With the bubbles and all of the things rocking. The broomstick is on there. It's like Halloween-y-ish, right? So it's not too scary because you know. So this is perfect for me. So yes, on the compression socks, right? Oh my goodness, I need them. So I picked up a large slash XL, right? I feel like in the past I've gotten like a medium, like my size, and they were too tight. So these are perfect. And I already had them on, actually. That's why they're out the pack. But you know, long car rides for me, like I noticed, and I think I've told you guys this before, that, you know, my legs start to swell a little. So those long plane rides and things, you know, where I'm sitting, definitely. So yes on these. And they came in a pack of 3. So I have the gray, the black, and the white, my favorite colors, right? So yes. So let's keep traveling, right? I picked this up. Let the adventure begin. How do I not already have a book like this, right? I'm loving this, girl. How do I not have a book like this already? Oh my goodness. So the travel planner, right? And it's the travel planner and a journal. So your daily itinerary, your travel itinerary, right? And look, your vacation budget is in here. I think they have some packing lists right in here. The journal is in the back, jotting some things down, right? Let me get to the packing. The house, the house sitter information. Who's sitting at the house? Souvenirs and gifts, right? And the packing list. So yes on that. I cannot believe I didn't have this already, girl. So out of all of these that I have, you know, I love these. Perfect getaway, right? Throw it in a bag. And I love them because they're plastic, zipper. We all have, you know, some. Throw all of the little good bit in here. Why do I not have one that says flight essentials? What? Oh, I'm always on a plane. So how do I not have this, right? So this was a must. Yes on that. And I grabbed a couple more of these. So these are the ones that we all have, right? And I think they're black, but they're, you know, TSA approved. And, you know, you just throw all your minis in here. And I love them. Me, hubby, and the girls all have one. Perfect getaway. Throw it in the bag, and we're good to go. So I grabbed the white and the black. So throwing, you know, the fancy shoes, right? That's what Kara calls them. The fancy shoes, right? We're usually wearing our sneakers. Throw some flops in here. Whatever, right? They're so good. And I used magnet hooks to, you know, like, I don't like clutter. So I had them hanging around and it was just perfect, right? So I got more. I need them. So yes on that. So the travel pillow, pack of 4, perfect for us, right? You just blow it up, super easy, convenient, and you're good to go, right? So this is how they come, and this is what you end up with. So yes on that. I don't think I've ever had a travel pillow. It's about to travel. So here's something that's pretty important, and to be honest with you, I didn't have one, but it comes pack of 5, and they're the RFID protection, you know, for your cards and things. So you just stick your card right on in here, right? You travel with a certain, you know, whatever card you travel with, you want to protect it a little more, throw it in here and, you know, throw it back in your wallet. But yes on that. So hubby and I will definitely be using this now. So, you know, I'm all about the fun, right? So I picked up new luggage tags, pack of 5. They're so cute, not your bag. Sydney's probably going to take this one. Why? Because she loves red. So she might take this one. This is mine. They're so cute. Excuse me, not your bag, right? That sounds like something I would say. Excuse me? That's not yours. These are all the different locations, right? How cute is that? And then put it back. It's mine. Girl, that's me. That's me right there. I think that's me. So, oh my goodness, they're so cute. Like I said, pack of 5. And yeah, we'll just pick which ones, you know, we want to rock. So, yes. So, I was really excited about this because on top of me needing compression socks and my legs swelling up and things, I get a little bit of motion sickness, especially in the car. And it's usually if I'm doing this and, you know, I'm moving in the car. So not so much on the plane. And sometimes when we're on the ship, you know, it may do a little rocking, right? And, you know, these I was excited about. So they come 2 in a pack, the motion sickness acupuncture bands. So you basically, I put the ball in here already. It comes with the balls, right? 3 of the white and 2 of the silver one. So I put the silver one in here where it would go on my wrist. And yeah, you just close it right on up, right? So it's on that pressure point, right? Right where you need it. So that's perfect. You can cut the excess off if you want, but I just tuck it, right? So yeah, I'm excited about this just because I never know if I'm nauseous or feeling, you know, I feel like my girls are the same way because they can't express that to me. So yeah, these are perfect. Yes on that. So this I'm excited to use because I can hang it up when I get to my destination, right? Right up in the closet. And it has the different sections. You throwing some things in, right? You want to throw some bathing suits in the bottom, some undies and things, right? You can put your shoes in the bottom, like your flip-flops and things. You know what I mean? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4 different sections. And I'm excited about this. I can't wait to use it. Yeah, and your roll, oh, this is perfect. I can't wait, I'm excited. So you can roll your things, you know, I roll my things when I'm packing. That's gonna fit in there real nice. Oh my goodness. I think what I'm excited about the most is that when I get there, I can pull it out and hang it up. Yes on that. So, I'm excited to use this. So a little decor, right, for the fall. We are definitely a football family. We are all about it. So a football and fall, y'all. The truck, very a farmhouse to me, right? And then they have all the footballs in the back. That's cute. So yes on that. I picked up a couple bundles for my fall decor this year. So these, you know, the traditional fall colors is what I want to use this year. I may incorporate some of my neutrals, but I think this is what I want throughout my home this season. So yes on that. So the one thing I swear by when I'm decorating are pillow covers, 100%. And it's just because, one, I love to decorate with pillows, but it can get expensive buying so many pillows. And 2, where am I going to store them? So buying pillow covers that I can just switch out for every occasion, honestly, right, is a must. And yes, on the Hello Pumpkin, I love this. It is so pretty in Hello Fall. So yes on the big pumpkin and yes on the big leaf. These are so cute and so perfect for my fall decor this year. These placemats are so pretty. Oh my goodness. So they come in a pack of 4 and you can also get the runner too. But I figure because I do, you know, little sections of things, right? Like my island, for instance. I can put this right in the center and you instantly know it's fall as soon as you walk into the kitchen and see it, right? So I can use this as my base and then put my tray on top of this. I think that's what I'm gonna do as I'm talking it out with you. It just makes sense, right? The girls' table, maybe, my living room table, yes on that. And my family room table, so there you go. Okay, perfect. Even my dining room table, probably. Maybe. But yes on these, they're so pretty, so bright, 100%. This screams fall, right? So I love them. So I'm going to end it with the flag for outside, right? This is perfect. Welcome. Football right in the middle. It made it into a heart, which I didn't even realize, and that made it even cuter, right? So yes on that. I am excited. The football is fall, y'all, with the helmet at the bottom. Is all the way rocking, right? So all right, let me get close again. What did I say? Open the Temu app. In the search bar at the top, enter my code KNC3487 to unlock the $100 bundle discount. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, you guys. Come back for more, and I'll see you soon. I'm still rocking this. I'll see you soon. Bye.